Welcome everyone to another cooking video. Now this won't be an essential oil cooking video, but it will be paired up with an essential oil video in part 2. Now I'm sorry, I had a major audio glitch, so I'm going to do a voiceover and it's not going to go with my lips moving in the video. My apologies. So I'm making part 1 of this will be making peanut butter cookies, and it's a basic 3-ingredient recipe. I'm going to start with 1 cup of peanut butter. You can use any kind you like. If you prefer the natural peanut butter, that works too. But I'm just using a regular smooth peanut butter. And then you're going to add half a cup of white sugar. And 1 large egg. I use a wooden spoon because that's a little easier to mix. I'm just going to cream it all together. Takes a little elbow grease sometimes to get them mixed in. I like this basic recipe because it is gluten-free, since there's no flour in the mixture. Now the reason I'm doing this recipe is because when we went to ON21 meetup, it was one of the treats I had brought along. But my dear friend V invented a little concoction, so I will show you that at the end of part 2. I'm getting this just about mixed up. This is supposed to make about 24, but I apparently make my ball of dough too big. So I usually get about a dozen, maybe a dozen and a half. So you want to space them out about, it says 4 inches apart. I just try to get 3 across so I can get the full dozen on 1 cookie sheet. I quite often will put parchment on there. I thought I was out, but forgot I had bought some more, so. But peanut butter cookies have so much oil in them, they don't usually stick. Peanut butter cookies are my favorite cookie. I'll probably do another cookie recipe in the next week that will contain essential oils. I found a recipe for snickerdoodles, and one of our supporters on YouTube loves snickerdoodles, so I'll make those for him. Or in honor of him. I guess I'm not going to be sending them. Take a little off some of the other ones to make the final cookie, to make a dozen. Then I flat them out with a fork to that cross pattern and put them in a 325-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. So my alarm's just gone off. We'll check on them. I did make some muffins earlier. They're just cooling. Oh, they look pretty good. So we'll let them cool, and then I will show you what we did with them at the end of part 2. Thank you for watching.